slipping into a Le Mans winning car. Nothing could be better. And I even have my own seat. Yep. Feels like home. Wrapping up an epic shakedown day for this Honda ARX-01c. Wow. Talk about like a time machine kind of experience. I never got to race this version of the ARX chassis in the American Le Mans Series. I raced a few years later the 03B, and this takes me back, right? It's technically the same tub, very similar design for the car, but this has the V8. Way more power, way more downforce. Really just an incredible experience. And the car ran flawlessly. This car now, as by the time you've seen this video, you will have seen this car debuted at the Monterey Historics this year. And I'm gonna predict that it probably stole the show. I think it's a really incredible piece. Again, this car won the 24 Hour of Le Mans and LMP2 in 2010. It actually won a WEC race, and I don't remember if that year if it was called the FIA WEC, but it won one of the races overall. So this chassis in particular has quite a history, plenty of success, and a number of our buddies drove the car, engineered the car, worked on the car, and we're going to try to get all those guys back to revisit and spend some time with this baby and relive the days of old. The plan for this car moving forward is still to be determined, but to take an iconic piece like this, revive the car, get it back to its original spec from that historic moment, and be able to campaign it at these marquee historic racing events is really special. It's something new for me. You know, I've been a pro driver my whole time in the sport, and having groomed Bob since his first track day in his road car and gotten him to this point, you know, there's a lot of different directions drivers can go. And instead of diving down just the pro racing path and kind of doing what every gentleman driver does, we have now found our home in historic racing and doing something special with really special race cars. And to me, it is every single bit as satisfying as being back on a pro grid and competing, you know, with the best of people out there. We are still racing these cars very seriously against very good drivers who have pros, and it's an intense effort. So I'm really excited for the future. We're going to continue to race the DPIs. We do have some of them that we've revived that are available from the RBN collection, and this new car is going to be another aspect for us to enjoy, maybe some races in Europe or somewhere across the world. But it's really a neat project, and today is just like a success story for all the hard work that went into it. I can't wait to keep racing this thing.